con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, 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 yak.
Introduction to the carbon cycle. Life on Earth is based on carbon. Carbon is the basic building blocks of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, DNA, and other compounds of life. Carbon circulates through the atmosphere, biosphere, and parts of the hydrosphere in a process called the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is based on carbon dioxide, which makes up 0.038% of the volume of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a key player on Earth's temperature. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has been increasing slightly each year. Computer models are used to indicate the amount of CO2 in the air and how it will cause global warming and changes in the climate. Living things acquire carbon from their environment. They get it from the air, the soil, the water, rocks, and also from other living things. Carbon moves in complex chemical and physical transfers such as diffusion, transportation, deforestation, respiration, forest fires, compaction, decomposition, photosynthesis, and through the burning of fossil fuels. Next, we will go more in depth on each of the transfers.
Part of the carbon cycle is compaction. When a plant or an animal dies, it decomposes, and this decomposed matter, along with the carbon, through years and years of pressure and heat, turn eventually into oil. This is a process of compaction. Let's look at an example of compaction. To show you guys the process of compaction, I'm going to take these pieces of a banana and I'm going to compact them into one little piece. Oh, there you go. I just compacted a banana. Another part of the carbon cycle is diffusion. Through diffusion, carbon in the atmosphere comes down and mixes with the water of the ocean. Later on, this water is consumed by animals and even humans. Let's look at an example of diffusion. Here I have some water in a cup and I have carbon dioxide coming out of my mouth. I'm going to mix the carbon dioxide with the water. Basically, the carbonated water was used by humans to produce Sprite. This Sprite can later be consumed by us, and therefore we're helping continue the carbon cycle. Respiration is a process of carbon dioxide being released back into the atmosphere. We do it by breathing. We take in oxygen and we release carbon dioxide. Let's look at an example of respiration. Decomposition is part of the process when an item decays. The carbon in that item goes back into the soil where a producer or plant can use it during the process of photosynthesis. Let's look at a time lapse of decomposition.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Hello there, my name is Randy, and I'm here to talk to you about forest fires. Forest fires are man-made creations and even sometimes created through nature. During a forest fire, carbon stored inside a tree, which came through the soil, is released through the burning process and omitted back into the atmosphere. Demonstration. As you can see, if a tree were present, the carbon would be released and omitted back into the atmosphere. That is a forest fire. Hello there again. My name is Randy. Now we're going to talk about fossil fuels. This right here is coal. This was formed by carbon underground being compacted with other minerals and such to form this thing right here. When a fossil fuel is being burned, the carbon that was packed inside, being stored, is being released through the burning process into the atmosphere. For example, as you can see, the coal now is burning. The carbon stored inside is being released back into the atmosphere. This is a fossil fuel. Hello there again. My name is Randy, and I'm here to talk to you about deforestation. Deforestation is the process of which trees like these are cut down. When a tree is being cut down, the carbon stored inside the tree, which it gained through the soils, is released and omitted back into the atmosphere. Demonstration. If I were to hit that tree right there, well, the spot where I hit, the carbon stored inside the tree is escaping and going back into the atmosphere. My name is Randy. This is deforestation. Hello there, my name is Randy for the last time, and now we're going to talk about transportation. This right here is a car. This car runs on fossil fuels which are inputted through here. The fossil fuels burn because the engine requires it. When the fossil fuels are burned, the carbon is admitted through the exhaust right here. Demonstration. As we can see, the fossil fuels are burning and being released through this exhaust over here. The carbon inside is being released and omitted back into the atmosphere. My name is Randy, and this is transportation.
Photosynthesis is a process in which complex series of reactions are done by producers. What'd you do?
Photosynthesis. 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 Photosynthesis.
Into the atmosphere.